Have you ever felt your eye suddenly start twitching for no reason? It's annoying, distracting, and honestly, a little scary.
But what if I told you your body is actually trying to send you a message? In this video, we're going to break down exactly why your eye twitches, what it means, and when you should actually be concerned. And trust me, most of the time it's not as serious as you think.
First, let's understand what's happening. That tiny movement you feel is called an eye twitch, or more scientifically, myokymia. It's basically a small, involuntary muscle spasm in your eyelid. It usually affects the upper eyelid, but sometimes the lower one too. And the weird part, you can't control it at all. Now here's the real question. Why does it happen? There are few very common reasons. Number 1, stress. If you've been overthinking, working too hard, or feeling pressured, your body responds. Eye twitching is one of those subtle stress signals. 2, lack of sleep. Not getting enough rest can make your eye muscles more sensitive. Even 1 or 2 bad nights can trigger it. 3, too much caffeine. Coffee, energy drinks, soda, too much of these can overstimulate your nerves, causing twitching. 4, eye strain. Staring at your phone or laptop for hours, your eyes get tired, and twitching can be the result. 5, dry eyes, especially if you're in front of screens all day or in air-conditioned environments. Now, here's the important part. Most eye twitches are completely harmless and go away on their own. But you should pay attention if 1, the twitch lasts for weeks, 2, your eye becomes red or swollen, 3, the twitch spreads to other parts of your face, or 4, your eyelid completely closes during the twitch. In rare cases, it could point to a more serious nerve issue. So, how do you actually make it stop? Here are simple fixes. Get more sleep, reduce stress, cut down on caffeine, take breaks from screens, use the 20-20-20 rule, and 5, stay hydrated. In most cases, that's all you need. So next time your eye starts twitching, don't panic. It's usually just your body asking for a little reset. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple explanations about your body. And tell me in the comments, how long has your eye ever twitched?